How to fix Facebook full screen. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. Follow me through to solve your problem. First, open your settings app, then go to apps, find Facebook, tap on it, then go to storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete, then also clear cache, then go back again, then tap on force stop, tap OK, then go to notifications, tap on all our notifications, toggle off, then toggle on again. And this should probably fix your problem. If it still does not, it may be some bug. Wait for some time, it will fix on its own. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.